The name of lesson in computer we have home and school means we how we use computer in the home and school. We are going to make a comparison. It is on page number 14 and 15 of your computer book. In this lesson, we are going to learn that computers that we use in home and the computer we use in the school, how do we use them? Use them at the home and how do we use them at school? This is what actually we are going to learn today. As we have discussed in 1.3 and 1.4, we have understood. So here we have comparison, home and school. Let's start. You know that we use computer at home. Your mom, your parents, your siblings use computer at school. As now, I am also using computer at home, and you people are also using the computer at home. Why we are using computer? We are using computer to learn. I'm using computer to teach you, whereas you are using computer to learn. So that's why home and school. When you go to school, inshallah, we will also learn computer in computer lab in different ways. Here, this picture shows that this boy is writing something on computer. We can say that I use computer to write letters. Use computer to write letters. Look, he is writing something on computer using the keyboard. He is writing letters. Okay, let's now everyone, we write letters at home as well as in school. We can write at home and we can write at school. So it will be same in both places, as we can write on school as we can write in home. So I use computer to write letters. The boy is writing letters. I use computer to draw. As I gave you the assignment and many boys have drawn different shapes on the computer. You can draw different shapes and we can draw in the school as well as in the home. So in both places, we can use computer to draw at school. We can draw at home as well as in school. I use computer to do sums, to solve math questions. When you add, multiply, subtract, this you maximum do in the school. You solve sums in the school. This you do in the school, not in the home, mostly in the school. I use computer to do sums. When you add something and get the answer, it is called sum, addition. So we use computer to do sums. Okay, next. What is it on the screen? Tom and Jerry. They are cartoons. Everyone has a different uh, favorite cartoons. So I use computer to watch cartoons. And maximum time you watch cartoons in the home. As in the school, teacher does not allow you to watch cartoons in the school. So you do it in the home. I use computer to watch cartoons. You can repeat with me. I use computer to watch cartoons. Good boys. Okay. I use computer to play games. Do you play games at school? No, you play games in the home because in the school we go to study, we learn, not to play. So I use computer to play games in the home, not in the school. We play games at home because in the school we cannot play because teacher will not allow you to play games in the school. I use computer to work. You use computer to work means your parents use computer to work in the home or in the office. I use computer to find things. You find things on the computer. This you can do in the school as well as in the home using the internet. So we can find things using the computer. Whatever you find, what kind of information you need, you can find through internet at your home or at school. So these thing find things you do in the school as well as in the home. I use computer to talk. Where you use computer to talk? In the home. When you use computer to talk, you use computer to talk. I use computer to talk. I'm teaching you using the computer. You can also reply me using the computer. We use computer to talk in the home because in the school we do not need to talk to the teacher verbally. We don't need computer. So we should talk with the people in the home with the supervision of your parents. So they should know whom you are talking. And this we do in the home because in the school we go for study, not to. I use computer to listen music. Where you listen music? In the home? No, we cannot listen the music in the school. So we listen to music in the home. Okay, who likes to listen the music, boys? Good. Okay, next we have I use computer to learn. Like you are using computer to learn new things, to understand new things. Now you are connected with me. You are getting the lecture using the computer to learn new things. I use computer to learn online. I use computer to learn online. Like I am talking to you, I am teaching to you online. So you are using computer to learn online in the home. I use computer to use internet. How we are learning online with the help of internet. How you can search the things? You can search the things using internet. This you can do in the school as well as in the home. You can use computer to use internet. How we can use computer or with the help of, how we can use internet with the help of computer, and for that we need computer or any other devices that we can connect to the internet. Understand, boys? I hope you understand, because this lecture 1.5 home and school was comparison between using the computer in the home and in the school. So what is the difference? There is not too much difference, but if you use computer in the home for learning, it is equal to the using computer in the school. If you use computer for an entertainment, that you can do in the home only, like watching cartoons, playing games, talking to the people. All these things you can do in the home, but not in the school. Okay, boys, I hope you liked the lecture and enjoyed the lecture and understood what I taught you today.